Hi everyone, Mr. Silva Decals here with another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to find some good selling decals on ebay.com using Terapeak research tool. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, you can do it now. I make videos every week about how to make vinyl decals and how to make money selling them online. If you have any questions, you can leave it in the comments below. Okay, let's take a look at what I'm talking about, the Terapeak tool. Okay, the interface is pretty simple. You just have to input the search term or keyword you want to target, and you can search UPC, or if you wanna do the research for a book, you can search by ISBN, but this is not the case, right? Because we're gonna focus on trying to find some good selling decals and maybe some t-shirts, and we're gonna do the research for the last 30 days. Okay, and the listing site is gonna be ebay.com. You can narrow your search for the marketplace you want. In my case, it's ebay.com, and we're gonna leave this as it is, and we're gonna start searching for I don't know, maybe for some Godzilla decals, since the new movie is coming up. All right, Godzilla decals. Let's see what we get. All right, it's not bad. It's a total of, in the last 30 days, it's a total of 206 items sold, and he sold almost $1,400 on sale. Okay, let's take a look at this one, for example. Nice. This, if you can see, this decal is pretty simple. It's just Godzilla at the back with some kind of a city shown here, some of the buildings, and the word Godzilla right here. It's not complicated at all, and if you see, this guy has sold 179 already so far. Okay, this one will be a good candidate. Let's scroll down and see another one. Oh, this is very popular right now, all these consoles vinyl skins. This is really nice, but I've never done one of these, so I have no idea. It shouldn't be too hard, but it's something we're not getting into right now. So another console here. Alright, let's look at this one. This is another one, pretty simple. You can make one of these decals in less than 5 minutes, and it's $4 each, which is not bad, and 82 items sold so far. Looks good for me. This is the same, we just open Yeah, this topic should be a good one to pick and make some money with them. Okay, let's see. Let's search for another one. I don't know what comes to my mind right now. Let's search for Among Us. This game is very popular right now, so oh, I misspell it. Should be Decals. Alright, in the last 30 days, there are a total of 289 decals, so and it is almost $2,000 in sales. And let's see here. This one, Among Us, 4 inches. Oh, this is really nice. And it's not hard to make. You gotta layer the vinyl and stuff, but it's not that hard to make. Okay, let's look another one. This is one color only. Let's see. Only 9 items sold. Not so popular right now. No, I'll pass for this one. I think we should search for another one. Okay, let's try. Since we already start with the popular games right now, let's look for Fortnite. Fortnite Decals. All right, this is a 231 items sold in the last 30 days, and it's over $3,000 in sales. This is decent money. Okay, let's see. Again, all the consoles skins that are very popular right now. Oh, look at this one. Wow, $14.9, almost $15 for this decal, and it's a custom decal because you have to customize the name, but looks easy. It's not complicated at all. And if you see, this guy only has one color. It has different sizes, but only one color. You can easily beat this seller. And the description is not so good. It's pretty simple. So this is a good candidate. And it's almost 50 people viewing this item per day. Let's look at another one. Oh wow, this is a iron-on decal, so you can sell this one and anyone can make a t-shirt with this one. Just they can use a regular or a home iron to make the shirt. Oh, Looks nice. Yeah, that's another way to make money. You can I usually sell permanent decals, but I can also list some iron on like this one and make some money for sure. Okay, this is a good candidate also. Okay, let's take a look at something else. Let's take a look at some shirts. Some shirts that are always popular are the birthday t-shirts. Oh, you see here on women's clothing birthday shirts. Oh wow. You see, this is really popular. There are 655 items sold in the last 30 days with a total sales of almost $9,500. Wow, that's good money. Let's take a look, and some of them are pretty simple. Wow, look at this one. It's just three simple words here, and this seller has sold 403 units so far. This is a good item to sell. Wow. Let's look another one. 17. Look at this one, similar to the last one. Best auntie ever. 3 words. And this seller has almost 200 teachers sold. Wow. Well guys, this is a really good opportunity for you to make some money selling some birthday t-shirts or some simple words t-shirts like this one, and I'm pretty sure you can do it. And this is gonna be it for this video. Remember guys, if you want me to make any specific decal or any specific video on any topic, let me know in the comments. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, you can do it now. And if you have any question, you can leave it on the comments below. Thank you for watching. See you on my next video.